No more candy!
Two skeletons were dancing with the candies. One got the burgers and ate them all the way. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Where are the burgers?
one skeleton was walking with the cake. He threw the cake and all began to play. The zombie called the witch, and the witch did say,
Don't eat the cake!
all the skeletons ate up all the yummy food. What they really did was not at all good. The zombie called the witch, and the zombie did say,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.
We're going to the haunted mansion again?
Yes, there's a New Year's party.
With skeletons?
Yes, and it's the best one.
deck the halls in the haunted mansion. Fa la 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 la. See the witches brewing potion.
La 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 la.
Watch the skeletons dancing merrily. And the zombies by the Christmas tree. Let us make this Christmas merry. Fa la 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 la. A little crazy, a little scary. Fa la 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 la. Join us, then. Now it's time for fun. Fa la 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 la. Dance along with the color skeletons. Merry, Merry Christmas, Len.
And a Happy New Year!
Red skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Blue skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Green skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Yellow skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Purple skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Orange skeleton, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Subscribe and watch more.